Hello viewer, it's a vehicle shape we have used here. So then apply the pattern stamp over it. Let's generate it. Then we will take the paint here, change the color for the painting. So add another shape around it. So let's find the further shapes and designs here. To explore it, I will use the eraser tool. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.